There are moments in life where everything changes, not over years or months, but in a single 24-hour window. One phone call, one market crash, one decision you never saw coming.
How do I start over from zero? Everything is just gone.
When sudden loss hits, the silence that follows is deafening. In a world full of economic instability and noise, losing your footing feels like drowning. But what if the moment you hit rock bottom isn't the end of your story, but the exact point where a miracle begins? When disaster strikes, society tells us to react instantly. Panicked phone calls, frantic moves, loud desperation. But true persistence isn't loud or aggressive, it's quiet.
Everyone is telling me to pivot, to fix this immediately. I feel like I'm losing my mind trying to control everything.
Stop trying to fix what was taken, David. Focus on what is still inside you. They took the assets, the position, the security, but they didn't take your spirit. True faith isn't shouting at the storm, it's standing still because you know holds the wind.
Faith in the dark isn't denial of reality. It's a refusal to let reality corrupt your peace. It starts with small daily rituals, a quiet morning prayer, a steady breath, and shifting your mind from "what did I lose" to "what do I still have left to give?" Then comes the hardest part of any restoration story, the middle ground. This is the awkward space where you've put in the faith, you've started doing the work, but absolutely nothing is changing on the surface.
Dude, you're delusional. You've been working on this non-stop for weeks, and you haven't made a dime back. It's time to accept that it's over. It looks dead on the surface, Mark, but roots grow under the dirt long before you see the tree break through the soil. I'm not giving up.
The middle ground tests your core. It's where critics call your faith denial and your persistence foolishness. But small, unglamorous daily wins, sending one more email, keeping one more promise, saying one more prayer, are secretly laying the foundation for a total turnaround. And then the shift happens. It rarely comes with a warning. Breakthroughs look like sudden accidents to the outside world, but they are actually the accumulated interest of silent spiritual endurance.
It's not just one, all three doors just opened.
When faith aligns with persistence, doors don't just unlock, they burst open.
Opportunities you didn't even apply for begin to find you. People you haven't spoken to in years reach out. What took 24 hours to collapse takes only a single moment of grace to restore tenfold. Faith acts as a catalyst, turning darkest hours into the exact soil where unexpected miracles grow. The life you rebuild after a fall is never the same as the life you lost. It's stronger. It's built on a foundation that cannot be shaken by economic downturns, unexpected betrayals, or sudden loss. Because now you know the truth. You can lose everything and still hold the power to bring it all back. Whatever battle you are silently fighting today, whether it's financial, emotional, or spiritual, remember that persistence isn't just surviving the night. It's believing the morning is coming while it's still pitch black.
If you're in your darkest hour right now, don't walk away before your turnaround. Keep showing up.
If this spoke to you today, drop a comment below sharing your own story of restoration, or simply type "I will keep persisting" as a declaration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs strength today.